Connecting ActiveCampaign to WordPress enhances your website's functionality by integrating email marketing and automation. Here's how to do it. Log into ActiveCampaign. Go to ActiveCampaign's website and log into your account. Access API settings. In ActiveCampaign, navigate to Settings. Click on Developer to find your API URL and key. Copy these credentials for use in WordPress. Log into WordPress. Access your WordPress admin dashboard by visiting your website's URL and logging in. Install and activate the plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New, and search for an ActiveCampaign integration plugin, such as ActiveCampaign or ActiveCampaign for WP Forms. Install and activate the plugin. Configure the plugin. Navigate to the plugin settings page. Paste the API URL and key from ActiveCampaign into the appropriate fields. Integrate forms. Connect your ActiveCampaign forms with WordPress. The plugin might allow you to add forms directly or sync with existing forms on your site, such as those created with WP Forms or Contact Form 7. Test the integration. Submit a test form on your website to ensure it correctly adds context to ActiveCampaign and triggers any associated automations.